So now let's see how we can work around with these sculpting brush settings inside of Blender. So here I'm in my sculpting view, so I have the default tool that is draw tool selected. And if I were to click and draw it, you can see that it sculpts regularly. But if I were to go on to the right hand side, you can see that there's active tool workspace settings, which you can use to change out the radius, for example, onto 182 pixels, and there you go. So now you got a bigger brush. Similarly, you can make it smaller as well, click and drag it, and you got a smaller brush. You can go around onto the radius unit according to scene or according to view as per what you like. So according to scene right here, this is how it works. According to view, then it works around according to the view. You can also go around with the direction right here and strength. You can really increase out the strength to pull it out, or you can use the strength and push it out just like this over here. So you can really increase the strength to really increase the strength right there. I can also go around with the direction, so you can pull it outwards just like this, or if you were to click on subtract, then it'll push it inwards right here. You can work around with the radius, you can work around with the hardness just like this, and you got more of a hard effect, or you can go around with the soft effect right here. You can also work around with auto smooth right here, and this is how it works. So you can see that you can really smooth things out as well. Similarly, you got other stuffs right here, which you can play around. And another thing that you can actually do is right click, and you got the same option. You have the radius, you can click and drag it out. You can also type in the exact radius according to what you like, and the radius is applied. You can change around the strength just like this. You can right click, and you can work around with the auto smooth as well. So you can just push this around right here, push this around right here just like this, click and drag it out, and this is how it works. Similarly, you got other brush settings right here, and you can work around with the strength and everything. You can right click, work around with auto smooth, and work around with the other brush in the same ways as well. So you can go around, increase out the radius, click and drag it out. You can change around the strength, and then really shape it out as per what you like, as you can see. So right about now, it's like you don't have anything. So let me just go around right here, and if I were to click on add, you can see that I can bulge it and sculpt it in the way you want. So when you're sculpting, you must not overdo it, otherwise you can really mess things up, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with sculpting brush settings inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.